Growing tulips in pots is an easy way to add a beautiful touch to your patio or front entryway with beautiful flowers early in the growing season. Tulips can be planted any time from early autumn to early winter. Planting tulip bulbs with the right conditions and at the right time is the key for growing them successfully. September through December is the best time of the year to plant flower bulbs, like tulips, as most fall plants need a period of chilling over the winter to perform well next coming spring. By planting them in the early fall, you get them off to a good start while the soil is moist from rainfall and before the temperature drops below freezing. Always remember, when purchasing tulip bulbs, purchase bulbs that have been prepared by going through a dormancy period, and select bulbs that are large and firm. Tulip bulbs thrive in pots and are some of the best plants you could choose for container planting. The best results come from top quality bulbs planted into clean pots of good potting mix. You will need high quality tulip bulbs, 8 to 12-inch pot. Make sure there are adequate drainage holes in the pot, as tulip bulbs must never sit in waterlogged soil or they will rot. Gravel for plants. The main reason for adding gravel to improve drainage in pots is because most plants don't do well in soggy soil and good quality potting mix. The best kind of soil for planting bulbs is sandy loam. A balanced mix of clay, sand, silt, and organic matter. Put a layer of gravel at the bottom of the pot for drainage. The main reason for adding gravel to improve drainage in pots is because most plants don't do well in soggy soil and excessive moisture results in rot and other deadly diseases which can kill the plants. Fill the pot halfway with potting mix. Potting mix is often better than the soil you can get in your yard or garden because it will retain moisture better. It's filled with nutrients that promote growth, and it will have better drainage. How deep do you plant your spring bulbs? Each variety is a little bit different. The golden rule when planting spring bulbs is that the bulbs should be planted 2 to 3 times the height of the bulb deep. When planting the bulbs, make sure the pointy side of the bulb is facing up. Push the bulbs into the soil, spacing the bulbs 1 or 2 inches apart. Fill the soil level to 2 to 3 centimeters below the lip of the pot to allow space for watering. Water them in, with a good, slow pour of water to really wet the soil. Do this until the water is running out the bottom of the pot. After the initial watering, let them root. They typically will not need additional watering until you see some sprout development. For the most compact growth, pre-cool tulip pots for 30 days in a location where the temperature is 55 degrees Fahrenheit, until the leaves appear. After this pre-cooling period, little green leaf should be visible. So in that moment move your pots to a bright location that averages 65°F. This combination of coolness and brightness will yield the best tulip plants. Hope this video will help you to grow your own tulips this fall. Happy gardening!